Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how one can start
Ne,
learning
isto
to
é
code.
importante hoje.
So
Acho eu.
without wasting any time, let's start. The first thing is you should know the common mistakes that people make while learning to code. The first mistake is please do not try to copy others on how they code. They have been doing this for a lot of years and that is why they can code the expert way. You better work on a strategy that can get you going. The second, after you have learned a little bit of coding, do not think too far ahead of yourself. Before you appear for an interview, you better prepare for interviews separately. And the third one is lot of the new learners tend to quit just after failing some interviews. They start to question their belief and confidence. Please understand that it is a process and it takes time. The more times you appear for an interview, the better chance you have of cracking it. There are ample opportunities in the job market, and it does not matter how many times you fail if you are ready for the next one until you grab one. Now, let's talk about how you should start your coding journey. The first thing is you should identify wisely which programming language to learn. The language that you want to learn should be versatile in terms of where it can be used. The most common and largely used programming language today is Python. It is fast to write as it has less code if you compare it with a traditional language like Java, and it is easier to learn. Furthermore, there are so many developer job opportunities out there for Python. To start with, you can follow the Free Code Camp YouTube channel where they have some amazing Python projects to give you a good start in your Python learning journey. There is another great Google free course called Data Structure and Algorithms. This course is going to help you a lot in making your fundamentals clear. Please do not go for long 20-hour courses on various training platforms immediately. First, get an IDE or Integrated Development Environment installed on your laptop. VS Code is one of the best IDEs out there that you might be interested in. Remember that coding can be learned only by doing and should not be just casually by watching a few videos or listening to some podcasts. For interview questions, you can utilize the Leet Code website to prepare. Another point I want to make is some people say that you need to spend at least 10,000 hours to master coding. This does not work all the time for all the coders. Quality and focus time matters a lot. You need to practice as much as you can with complete focus. Think about a bug in your mind that you might want to resolve using the programming language. The point is to try to get you out of your comfort zone to master it. While you learn the language, identify your weaknesses and make note of it. Work on them one by one. Once again, remember that short and highly focused sessions are more effective than long and distracted ones. You can go for long courses after you have mastered basics or fundamentals, which plays a key role in the long run. So, this is all that you need to do to get started with coding. I have put some reference URLs I mentioned in this video. Please do let me know in the comment section if you need any additional free assistance to learn any programming language. I will help you get the content to learn. Alright, so let's end the video here. If you liked the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon as well to get the notifications of my new videos.